చైతన్య స్కూల్ టెక్నో కరికులం అమెరికా నాసా వారి ఎన్ఎస్ఎస్ ఐఎస్డిసి కాన్ఫరెన్స్ 2025లో శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్ వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్ సాధించిన సందర్భంగా జూబ్లీహిల్స్ జస్పల్లా హోటల్లో అభినందన సభ. ఈ సభలో 30 దేశాలకు చెందిన మొత్తం 475 మంది విద్యార్థులు, దీనిలో 67 మంది విద్యార్థులు భారతదేశం నుండి హాజరవ్వగా 67 మందిలో 45 మంది 68% శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులే ఉన్నారని చైతన్య స్కూల్ అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ శ్రీమతి సీమా తెలిపారు. స్పేస్ సెటిల్మెంట్ కాంటెస్ట్ లో కూడా 60% మార్కులతో నెంబర్ 1 వరల్డ్ ఛాంపియన్ గా గెలుపొందని తెలిపారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ప్రత్యేకంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ప్రెస్ మీట్ మరియు విద్యార్థుల అభినందన సభలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలిపారు. గెలుపొందిన వారికి బహుమతులు కూడా అందించారు.
ऋतु राइट ओके
transferring estimate of these. Pujita Vivinagadis. Sri Mokshita Vivinagadis. Purna Chandrika Vivinagadis. Bhavyasri K. Vanasthalipuram. Mukesh Sandeep K. from Vanasthalipuram. Kundana Ritu Parna SR Nagar.
First, let me welcome the press, parents, students, and of course our dear staff to the press meet. Today is a very special day. As you all know, Sri Chaitanya is on top. What it is, academics or extracurricular activities, whether it be JEE, mains, advanced, Olympiads, board exams, sports competitions, whatever it is, it's Sri Chaitanya that's always on top. I say this all the time, and this year is no different. In recently released mains exams, NEET exams, and advanced exams, Sri Chaitanya Techno School students got a lot of number of ranks in top 100. No one institute got so many ranks in top 100 from one single school. So this is an amazing performance. And the CBSE or State Board, both AP and Telangana, the top mark belongs to Sri Chaitanya Techno School students. And also the top marks above 590, no matter what category you take, it's Sri Chaitanya students that came on top. And I always tell you that Sri Chaitanya is not only about academics. There's a misconception saying that Sri Chaitanya means academics. That is not true. In Sri Chaitanya, we have, in the limited time that we have every single activity or every activity that happens in any normal school. Sri Chaitanya has that as well, apart from its amazing academics, amazing academic curriculum. So one of the secrets for Sri Chaitanya's success is its conceptual teaching. We believe that if you impart fundamentals to the students, if you teach them in a conceptual manner, and if you train them to apply the same and arrive at answers, then it will make sure that a single student is successful in all areas, in every single exam. So if you take Sri Chaitanya students, it is not one exam or the other they come out successfully in. It is not JEE or it's not board exams. It's not one exam or one Olympiad that they come out successfully in. No matter what they attempt, they have a very fair chance to do extremely well in that exam, and that credit goes to the conceptual training that we believe in. And ISTC or NASA MSS contest, Space Settlement Contest, is one of those examples for those application skills. So as you all know, aeronautical engineering, aeronautics is a very important area for any country, whether it be in airline field, or whether it be drones, or whether it be defense mechanisms, defense systems. Aeronautics play a very important role, and the space settlement contest or anything to do with space is no different. It's very closely related to aeronautical engineering and aeronautics. And by encouraging this competition, we encourage our students to find interest in this field, which has huge potential in the future. So as you know, the earth is getting overpopulated, overcrowded. There's a lot more humans than earth can accommodate. And there's a lot of global warming, whether it be because of our abuse that we show towards our planet, or whether it be wars, you name it. There's a lot of reasons towards the global warming. And eventually the earth will not be habitable or will not be able to accommodate such population in a healthy manner. So because, and a lot of organizations are working towards what next? What is the alternative? As part of that, every year, NSS society that belongs to NASA, they call for a competition where they call for students and organizations across the world to submit their projects, where the goal is to come up with a viable plan as to how a small society can survive in space. That is the concept behind this competition. And several students from several countries apply for this every year. And Sri Chaitanya has been encouraging this competition for the last 14 years. And every year we are doing extremely well. And after submitting these projects, from these projects, the judges will pick a few winning projects. And the students who did those projects will be invited to ISTC conference that happens in the US every year. So this year that ISTC conference happened in Orlando. And from Sri Chaitanya, there are about 60 winning projects, 3 world first prizes, 4 world second prizes, and 43 honorable mentions from Sri Chaitanya Techno School students alone. So this year in the ISTC conference in Orlando, about 30 countries participated and close to 500 students attended, out of which nearly 45 students are from Sri Chaitanya.